In today's topic, we will learn the two laws of Kirchhoff, that are current law and voltage law, which are useful for the electric closed circuit. Let's see the Kirchhoff first law. It is also known as the Kirchhoff current law, or also known as the Kirchhoff junction rule. According to Kirchhoff current law, the total current entering a junction or a node is equal to the charge leaving the node, as no charge is lost. It means the total current which is entering in the junction is equal to the total current which is leaving the junction. That is, there is no charges destroyed or nor be created. That is, the algebraic sum of every current entering and leaving the node has to be null. That is, the entering current plus existing current is equal to the 0. This property of Kirchhoff law is commonly called as conservation of charges, because in this current law there is no charge is created or nor be destroyed. From this figure we can understand that the current I1, I2 and I3 entering the node is considered positive. Likewise, the current I4 and I5 existing the nodes is considered negative in values. This can be expressed in the form of an equation, that is, I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. That is, current entering the node equals to the current leaving the node. And we can also say that I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I4 plus I5. A node refers to a junction connecting two or more current carrying roots like cables and other components. Kirchhoff's current law can also be applied to analyze the parallel circuits. The next one is the Kirchhoff second law, or it is also called as the Kirchhoff voltage law or Kirchhoff loop rule. According to Kirchhoff voltage law, the voltage around a loop equals to the sum of every voltage drop in the same loop for any closed network and equals 0. It means that suppose we have a closed loop, the sum of all the voltages around the loop is 0. Put differentially, the algebraic sum of every voltage in the loop has to be equals to 0, and this property of Kirchhoff law is called as conservation of energy. If a charge moves around a closed loop in a circuit, it must gain as much energy as it loses, and there is no loss of energy. The above can be summarized as the gain in energy by the charge is equal to the corresponding losses through resistance. From this figure we can understand the sum of all the voltage drops around the loop is equal to be 0. VAB, VBC, VCD and VDA are having sum is equal to the 0. That is, VAB plus VBC plus VCD plus VDA is equal to 0. Mathematically, the total voltage in a closed loop of a circuit is expressed as total V, that is equal to 0. It is essential to maintain the direction either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Otherwise, the final voltage value will not be 0. When either AC circuits or DC circuits are analyzed based on the Kirchhoff circuit law, you need to be clear with all the terminologies and definitions that describe the circuit components like paths, nodes and loops.